Good morning, students. Welcome back. That day we were studying about the lesson. Thursday we have studied about say who I am. Right? I told you every person has his own activity or he has his own profession. Correct or not? Profession you can say, or he does some work. That work is known as what? That work is known as his profession. Here it is told that there are nouns that stand for people who do certain specific activities. What they do? They do some activities, specific activities, particular activity, one activity or then two activities together, or some of them they have activity, two activities, they have habit of doing two activities together. For example, a person who stitches clothes is called a tailor. Understood? And then here it is told that there is one question, fill in the blanks with the help of the pictures and words given below. What is there? We have to fill the blanks. What we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with the help, fill in the blanks with the help of the pictures. Some pictures are given in the grammar book. With the help of those pictures, what we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks. Now I will show you the pictures. Here are some pictures. Fill in the blanks with the help of the pictures and words given below. Some words are given below. Can you see? Yes. And now here first sentence is that I cure people when they are ill. What is first sentence? I will write down first sentence. I cure people when they are ill. When they are ill, I am dash. I am a dash. Now when people are sick, that time I treat them, or I give them treatment. Who am I then? Who is that person? That person is known as what? Come on, tell me from here. There are pictures. 10 pictures are there. From 10 pictures, who am I? I am a doctor. Can you see here? If the person is not feeling well, that time who treats you or who takes care of you? Doctor takes care of you. So first answer is what? Doctor. I am a doctor. Understood? Have you understood? The second sentence which is given here is I make bread. I make bread. Full stop. I make bread. I am a what? Now the person who makes bread, what he is known as? Come on, see in the picture what that person is known as who makes bread. Here it is. Can you see a picture of person who makes bread? Yes, you can see. So what is that answer then? I am a baker. The person who makes breads is known as what? He is known as baker. B-A-K-E-R. What is his name? Baker. I am a baker. Understood? Have you understood? The third sentence which is given here is I fly a aeroplane. What do I fly? I fly a aeroplane. I am a dash. The person who flies aeroplane is known as what? Come on, see here. There is a woman standing near aeroplane. Aeroplane is there and she is standing over here. So what is she? She is a what? Sailor, watchman, baker is already over. Waiter, barber, umpire, porter, soldier, pilot, doctor. Doctor is already over. What is that answer then? I am a pilot. Who am I? I am a pilot. So what is answer? What is third answer? P-I-L-O-T, pilot. I fly a aeroplane. I am a pilot. Fourth sentence which is given here is I wait at tables. Fourth one, I wait at tables in a hotel. I wait at tables in a hotel. I am a dash. What is that sentence? I wait at tables in a hotel. I am a dash. Who am I? Come on, tell me. When the person stands near tables, who is he? The person who stands near table is known as what? He or she is known as waiter. What she or he is known as? Waiter. W-A-I-T-E-R, waiter. W-A-I-T-E-R, waiter. What that person is known as? That person is known as waiter. The fifth sentence which is given here is I act as judge. I act as judge in a cricket match. In a cricket match. I am a dash. When I act as a judge in cricket match, who am I? What that person is known as? That person is known as who tells that the batsman is out or there is no ball and all that. All things are told by whom? That all things are told by umpire. By whom? Umpire. U-M-P-I-R-E, umpire. What that person is known as? That person is known as umpire. There are more 5 sentences, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. That all sentences, let me just check. These all sentences, remaining 5 sentences we are going to study in tomorrow's period. Yesterday I did not send you video, so I am going to send you video on Monday. Okay. Now these 5 sentences, let us read. First one, I cure people when they are ill. I am a dash. Who am I? I am a doctor. Answer is what? Doctor. Second, I make bread. I am a dash. When I make bread, who am I? I am a baker. B-A-K-E-R, baker. Next sentence, third one, I fly a aeroplane. I am a dash. When I fly aeroplane, who am I? I am a pilot. Who am I? I am a pilot. Fourth sentence which is given here is I wait at tables in a hotel. I am a dash. So answer is what? I am a waiter. Who am I? I am a waiter. Next, last sentence which we have studied is I act as judge in a cricket match. I am a dash. Who am I? I am an umpire. Who am I? I am an umpire. Umpire who act as a judge in the cricket match. Have you understood all sentences? Have you understood all 5 sentences? I think yes. What you have to do today is you have to write down all these 5 sentences in your English grammar notebook. I am telling you, English grammar notebook. Write down these all 5 sentences as a homework in your English grammar notebook. Remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay. Thank you.